My name's Scott Jenner and I'm the Business Development Manager covering the south of the UK. Today I'd like to introduce the fully automated twin bin Kanban solution on offer from Supply Technologies. Not only does this solution automatically reorder parts at the point of demand, it also offers great space saving due to the top and bottom style planning, the various size bins, and also the opportunity to add bins on both the back and the front of the rack. This offers great space saving for the customer. The initial process is to fill both compartments with the desired components. The users simply feed from the bottom bin until all stock is consumed. At this point, the users pull the middle tab, which releases stock from the top compartment to the bottom. This automatically raises the flag, which sends a notification through the gateway and onto the local Supply Technologies location. This raised flag also notifies users that there's an open order in process. At set points each day, this information is used to generate orders from the system and into the warehouse. Parts are then picked, packed and made ready for dispatch to the customer on the next delivery. Finally, the new goods are placed back in the top compartment. The flag is lowered, which represents the completion of the order. The fully automated twin bin Kanban solution, a simple solution that offers real-time usage, live availability and more efficient replenishments.